YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Be So Fitted. I'm back and I'm better than ever. And today I have a very special video for you guys. Look what I've got. You know what the deal is. I actually got very lucky and I hit on the Nike Air Jordan Union 4 collab. And I happened to strike on the in-store raffle. And this is the Guava Ice colorway. So today the video is going to consist of an unboxing, a detailed look up close. And then I'm actually gonna give you guys an on-foot look. I'll throw on some different styled outfits for you guys. Then I'm actually gonna cut the stitching off one of the tongues because they're folded. That's something that they did differently with these fours. And then yeah, we will be on our way. So with that being said, let me give you guys an up close and detailed look on the kicks. Follow that up with the on-foot look. And then I'm gonna wrap up the video. Let's get it. Alright y'all, let me give you guys this up close look at the Nike Air Jordan 4 Union collab in the Guava Ice colorway. Let's get into it. Let me flex the kicks real quick. We got the Nike Off-White Dunk collab in the white and green colorway. Shit, I'm drawing a blank. I forgot exactly what the street name is, but that's what we're wearing for the video right now. So let's unbox these kicks. So here we got an up close look at the box. We got, this is actually what the raffle tickets look like. So if you went to the in-store raffle, this is exactly what the tickets that they handed out look like. It's literally Jordan's hands with the jumper, very dope. And then they had Union running across his hands just like so. And then right here, we got a Jumpman logo on the top right corner, followed by the Union right underneath. And then we got details. So right here, it says Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. SP stands for Special Project. We got a personal size 12, which is my size. And then you got the QR code to scan and take you right to the Nike website. MSRP of $250. Pretty expensive, pretty pricey, but you get what you pay for, guys. And then on the bottom of the box, again, that Jumpman with the Union. And then the Nike logos all up and down the top left. And then you got some more. You got some more Nike logos and details on the top left, on the bottom of the box. Nothing crazy, but I will say, guys, this box is really high quality. Very pleased with the box itself. Now let's open it up. This is actually a very special detail. We got two tissue papers. One is very plain white tissue. And then we have a tissue with Jordan on both sides of them. Very nice and creative. I never would have thought to do something like this, but again, it is Jordan looking down. I think he is being acknowledged by a crowd. He probably did something spectacular, whether it was hitting a game winner. I'm not quite sure the story behind this picture itself, but we got Jordan looking down, being acknowledged by many people. As you can see, the hands all around his body and the hands all around him. So very special detail. All right, now that we've gotten the up close look at the box and the tissue out of the way, let's jump right into the shoes itself. And we will start with the materials on the shoe. I'm not exactly what material you would call this, but it is very cushiony, very soft, very nice. I feel like, oh, and then you got suede all around the shoe, starting from the toe box, and it goes all around the shoe with some areas of the upper containing suede as well. Since it's suede, it will crease, but it's all good. It is what it is. And then you got a pre-yellowed vanilla creamy outsole. Your typical Jordan 4 bottom. You got the Nike Air on the middle of the forefoot, and then you've got the stars all around the toe area. And then you've got herringbone traction pattern, very nice and clean. And then you've got the Nike Air logo on the back of the heel. And then you got a really soft heel tab as well. And then you've got a translucent wing right here. So you've got translucent wings, and it's not your usual Jordan 4 in a sense where there's a hole in the middle of the wing itself. They decided to make it one translucent piece, so very nice, very different. And then you've got the Union LA tag behind the wing right there and in front of the cage of the Jordan 4s. And then you've got an extra pair of gold laces. And then right here is actually my favorite detail. This is what made everyone dislike the shoe a shitload. But right here, they stitched the tongue to fold it in half. But once pictures and images released where you can cut the stitching off and expose the Union logo, followed by the Jumpman, and make the tongue a normal 4 tongue, that's when everyone went crazy. I wasn't too crazy about the off-noir colorway, but it grew on me. And once I saw images of this colorway, I immediately fell in love with the collab. So very nice and different. Later on in the video, I'm actually gonna cut the stitching off the tongue to make it normal, and I'm gonna wear one with a folded tongue and then one with a regular tongue. So that's gonna be interesting. I don't think I'm gonna see too many people rocking their Union 4s like that, so I'm excited to see how it'll turn out. And then let me bust out the insert of the shoe. Pretty nice, pretty premium. It's not too flimsy, it's actually pretty solid. You got the Jumpman logo right there, and then the size tag, which come in all Nikes. And then on the inside of the shoe tag, obviously you've got the little details, personal size 12. And then again, if you guys are ever buying Unions or Nikes in general nowadays through resale, they've got that little QR code to scan you and take you right to the Nike website to ensure authenticity, so that you guys aren't buying fakes, because we don't want to deal with that shit. And then on the other side of the shoe, we've got the same deal, nothing different, except it came with a Union Jordan hang tag. Very nice. Probably gonna hang that on my rear view mirror in my car. Looking forward to that. So very solid, very nice, very clean, very dope shoe. So with that being said, let me give you guys an on foot look, and then we'll be on our way. Let's get it. All right, y'all, real quick, let me show you guys. I told you I'm gonna cut the stitching on one of the tongues so that it's like a normal Jordan 4 tongue. So we ain't here to play games, so let's do this. I got these today, which happens to be September 5, and I actually ordered these on August 25th. So about 10 days, a week and 3 days. Not too bad. I get very impatient. I'm used to the typical Nike shipping, which is like under a week, but it's cool. As long as I got my shoes, that's all I can be happy about, man. So let's be extremely careful and cautious. I'm actually not sure if I'm doing this right, but I'm just gonna cut through this shit. All right, y'all, so in a second, you're gonna see me use a paper clip to get through the stitching. The reason being, you don't wanna use something too sharp where you accidentally cut through the shoe itself. So use something thin enough to get underneath the stitching, but not too sharp so you don't accidentally cut the shoe. All right, cool. Actually, I'm not even gonna need to cut through it. I'm just gonna stick the scissors through and then remove the stitching that way. So let's just do that. Actually, yo, I found it easier to remove the stitching on the rear side of the shoe. So let me try this method. All you guys are gonna end up doing to remove the stitching is, as you can see, just slip the paper clip or whatever it is you're using underneath the stitching, and then just carefully pull it all the way through until it's no longer stitched, and repeat the pattern until you no longer have the tongue attached to itself. All right, y'all, this is the end result. We got the completely unstitched tongue, unfolded. This is what the stitching looked like. Very, very thin. You got the Union Jumpman right there. And then on the back of the tongue, Air Jordan in reverse fashion, like your usual Jordan 4. And then you've got the exposed sponge to show the edges, unfinished, nice and clean detail. You got holes all around the tongue on the front and the back. The back's kind of like spongy material. It's kind of like suede. And then right here, it's a different material. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's not the same. Very excited to rock these, man. So again, we got an up close look with the normal tongue and then the folded tongue. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. In my personal opinion, paying resale, I think I would do it. If it climbs anywhere under a G and you haven't gotten these shoes and you really want it, I would pull the trigger. And if you're sitting pretty on some extra cash and you're like, damn, I really wanted these shoes, get them ASAP, because look at the Jordan Union 1s. Those are going for $2 grand, $3 grand, give or take, depending on what your size is and depending on what color you want. But without a doubt in my mind, these will definitely rise in time. It's already hovering around the $1,000 area. So if you plan on getting a pair, get them soon, because this is the cheapest it's gonna get. So with that being said, let me give you guys an on foot look and then we'll be on our way, all right? Alright y'all, as far as the unboxing slash review and on foot look goes on the Nike Air Jordan 4 Union collab and the Guava Ice colorway goes, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I hope you guys found it helpful. And if you guys did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. I'm going to be bringing you guys more videos exactly like this, so expect more content just like that in the near future. But with that being said, that's pretty much it, y'all. It's your boy Be So Fitted signing off. Only way is up. Stay fitted for me. We out, baby. Let's get it.